Good evening, people. This is your weekly card reading for the week of November 30th to December 6th, 2020. You could pause the video and choose your card, whatever card you are called upon or you feel drawn to, you can select that card and you can go to the card for your weekly reading. This is Amrita and thank you for watching the video. For those who chose card number 1, the breakthrough. This card reveals to acquire wealth through honest means and use it for the greater good rather than to benefit only a few. Fair play, honesty, and consideration are required in relationships. Settle disputes, right, wrong, and adjust your conduct so you become more kind, considerate, and selfless. This card reveals and asks us to logically and objectively to find the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Even it means recognizing that we have made mistakes and thus must make amends accordingly. Try not to be judgmental about your actions or intentions or those of others. Legal issues, settlements, debts paid, lawyers, and other official systems will have a successful outcome. If you are seeking a new romance, this card reveals that you will get what you deserve, or a charming diplomatic admirer will soon come into your life. Thank you. For those who chose card number 2, the outsider, 5 of Pentacles. It's time to free yourself from people who drain your resources, emotional, creative, or physical. You no longer choose to be responsible for someone else, preferring the simplicity of a solo existence. The 5 of Pentacles indicate that you are not earning enough in your job or feel strained by work-related responsibilities. Perhaps you are not using your talents in your work or do not receive the rewards you deserve. It may be time to seek a more satisfying occupation. In readings, the 5 of Pentacles can represent several kinds of lack. First, there is poor health. It is hard to tackle life's challenges when we do not have our vitality and strength. This card can be a signal that you are neglecting the needs of your body. You are moving away from complete physical well-being. So, you must take steps to discover and correct the problem. This card can also be a sign of material and economic setbacks. There is no doubt that life is harder when we lack money or a decent job. When we are struggling to make ends meet, all other problems are magnified. Even if we are comfortable, we can still feel insecure, afraid that misfortune will take away all that we have worked for. The 5 of Pentacles can also represent rejection or lack of acceptance. We are social animals and feel pain when excluded from our group. We want to be included, not only for our emotional well-being but also for mutual support. Being rejected can mean physical hardship as well. The 5 of Pentacles relates to material lack, but it also has a spiritual component. Comfort is so close at hand, but they fail to see it. We are meant to enjoy abundance in all areas of life, but sometimes we forget that is our birthright. Whenever you experience hardship, know that it is only temporary. Look for the spiritual center that will take you in and give you shelter. Thank you. For those who chose card number 3, your reading. Playfulness. This card signals that you are so full of childlike excitement that there is no way right now you could commit yourself to any long-term plans. You are about to enter a phase of fresh optimism and passionate fun. Just go out there and enjoy yourself. The more confident and inspired you are, the more success you will have. In matters related to money, be creative in handling investments. Do your research properly before investing. In matters related to love, it signals enthusiasm, openness, and optimism in love. Your relationship is based on mutual affection. loyalty and honesty. Open your heart and give yourself entirely to your partner. Be transparent and practice generosity towards your partner. In matters related to work, it signals a period of a job or opportunity that will offer you the potential for creative excitement. See this period as a step in the right direction. Do not let people discourage you from doing what you enjoy. Connect with the fun loving side of yourself, the child within. Approach life with joy and hope, seeking truth, love, and beauty in all things. Thank you. For those who chose card number 4, Healing, King of Cups. In matters related to money, your emotions may be influencing your financial deals and business matters. Take control of situations involving money, resources, and investments, but also be considerate of others. To achieve success, be 100% committed to a venture. In matters regarding love and relationships, commitment, loyalty, and trust are needed. You need to express your feelings to your partner by coming out of your fear of losing control. You need to show emotional maturity and develop an ability to nurture, protect, and be emotionally in sync with a partner. In matters related to work, this card recommends that you assist others in not getting into power struggles. Use your intuition and creativity to further your career. This is Amrita. I hope you enjoyed your readings. Thank you. If you like the readings and if it resonates with you, if you like, you can subscribe to my channel and click a like on this video. Thank you so much. You could also follow us on Facebook on Magical Manifestations, and Insta page is Manifestations Magical. Thank you so much. Have a lovely week.